Hi everyone. Um, Here is another interesting math trick. Um, I think this is a fourth one. Yeah. Before this time, I did three videos on three different math tricks. Today, how do we multiply repeated digit numbers by one digit number without using the calculator? I've just decided to be given every day. So in multiple times, you'll be working like how do I call it, a human calculator when it comes to multiplication, addition, and some related stuffs. Yeah, some of these things are important, especially for math teachers. If you think the class is boring for the day, or maybe there is no chair in class, you can go to any of the classes, then you can do these things. Then it appears to be like fun, but the kids also learn daily. It's very good for them because once the kids are able to get used to these things, it helps them to think better. Yeah. So, how do we multiply repeated numbers by any? Maybe the next time I will tell you how you square any two-digit number because there was a video I made. If you square um, a two-digit number wherein the last digit is 5, yeah, maybe the next video will be like whatever the case may be for any two-digit number, you can square it. Yeah, so there will come a time we can do a lot more. Okay. So let's see here. These are two digits repeated, two digits. These are three digits repeated. Yeah, so I decided to do one here, which is four digits. Then you will have to tell me what you get in the comment section for this two. So you don't obviously need a calculator to and to do this one. It doesn't mean that, yeah, some people might say, well, why am I even thinking of all this? Because it wastes my time. Let me tell you, sometimes when I was in high school, yeah, when I used to learn all these things, yeah. So sometimes if sometimes when you are using a calculator, you may tend to enter something differently, which is unknown to you. Yeah, because of the pressure of the exam. So sometimes what I used to do is if I say like 5 times 6 is 30 or 8 times 7 56, if I enter the calculator, sometimes I'll do it physically and see if I don't make any mistakes. Sometimes it happens. All right, let's see what we do. Multiplying repeated digit numbers by one digit number without using a calculator. So let me add it here. Without using a calculator. Um, okay. Multiplying repeated digit numbers by one digit number without using a calculator. Okay. So pay attention, be attentive so you get it very well. Okay. Now we want to multiply 44 by 8 without using a calculator. What do we do? What you do is you only need to multiply this. Mathematics may seem to be interesting. Your math teacher may tend to be doing extremely good, but do not forget that you have to make effort. Otherwise, don't think everything has to be done for you. I used to be told that math is easy, math is difficult, of course. Yeah, but there are cases where math teachers do manipulate certain things just to make things look easier. So you cannot say, well, since we have been in all this, so they have to tell you what is 4 times 8. 4 times 8, you need to do it, which is what? 32. So 4 times 8 is what? 32. Okay. Then multiply this again. We shall come to that to complete. Just be patient. 5 times 7 is 35. 3 times 6 is 18. Okay. So what does this one tell you? It tells us that under normal circumstance, the result for this starts with 3, it ends with what? 2. The result for this starts with 3 and the ending is 5. The result starts with 1, the ending is what? 8. It sounds interesting. especially when you see 3, you see 5, you see 4. Yeah, sure. So 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 7 is 35. 3 times 6 is 18. Let's exhaust this before we come to this. So one thing I want us to understand is that um, we use this 4 to multiply this. So we are left with this 4. So we are left with 4 simply means we are left with one digit. So one digit means we are to insert only one digit between 3 and 2. Remember, 4 times 8 is 32. So how many are we inserting between them? We use this, so it means one digit. So we use one digit. How do we get that one digit? So easy. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So 44 times 8 is 352. Is that not easy? It's easy. Okay. So 5 times 7 is 35. Is 35. So how many digits are we inserting? How do we know? We are left with one digit here to deal with. So one digit. So how do we get that? We don't have anything to do with this part again. 3 plus 5 is 8. 385 is the result if you multiply this. Okay. 33 times 6. Only use this. 3 times 6 is 18. How many numbers digits are we inserting between 1 and 8? We are left with one digit here. So only one digit. 1 plus 8 is 9. So easy. Let's go to 3 digits, 3 repeated digits number. Okay. The same thing goes. 2 times 7 is 14. Leave a space for the digits that is coming or that are coming between them. 2 times 7 is 14. How many digits are we inserting? We are left with 2 digits here. So 1, 2. How do we know? Very, very easy. Trust me. 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5, 5. One thing I like about multiplying repeated digit numbers by one digit is that trying to know what we are to insert between them, you don't need to say, I find this, I find this. No. Once you say 1 plus 4 is 5 is the same thing, right? Repeatedly, no matter how many digits so far. This again, multiply these two. 3 times 8 is 24. Yeah. How many digits are we inserting between? So 1, 2, 2 digits. So 2 digits. Here again, 2 digits. Here is 1 digit. Here is 1 digit. Here is 1 digit. It's easy. So 3 times 8 is 24. How many digits are we inserting between them? 2 digits. So which are the digits? 2 plus 4 is 6. 6, 6. So we see 1, 2 digits. We have this one here again. 5 times 6 is 30. How many digits are we inserting between them? 1, 2. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 1, 2. So easy, so simple. Now, 9 tends to be bigger and it creates a bit fear in some. Don't worry, just follow the same principle. 9 times 8 is 72. All right, it's 72. How many digits are we inserting? 1, 2, 2 digits. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9, 9. Yes, I don't know if you can try this one in the comment section. Let me do everything for you. Please tell me what you have in the comment section for this one. Do not forget. Okay. All right, no problem. Now, this is for you. This is for you. This is for you. This is for everyone. This is for the math lovers. But you can't believe that I erased this one just to see that. I'm sorry, I wrote this one earlier. But some people might say, no, this is not working in all cases because this one comes with a special case. Okay. Now let's see here. Let us see here. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 7 is 56. Okay, excuse me. I was planning to do 4 digits because here are 2 digits. Let this one be 4 digits. 4 digits. Okay. 7 times 6 is 42. 4, 2. Okay. So in that case, how many digits remaining? 1, 2, 3. So 3 digits. How do we get them? 4 plus 2 is 6. 6, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let us come to this one. 8 times 5 is 56. How many digits are we inserting? 1, 2, 3. We are inserting 1, 2, 3. Please let us pay attention. 8 times 7 is 56. We are inserting how many digits? 1, 2, 3. 3, 8 remaining, so 1, 2, 3. Okay. There is a condition here we need to consider again, which we did not find in those ones. Now, which digits are we adding? So 8 plus, sorry. 5 plus 6 is 11. So 11, 11, 11. Remember, 5 times 7 is 35. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5. Okay. 8 times 7 is 56. 6 plus 5 or 5 plus 6 is 11, 11, 11. But there is a condition here. What is the condition? We don't want 2-digit numbers when inserting between. So what do we do? This 11, pay attention please. This 11 will take away 1. Which one do we take? The one on the left. We take it away and bring it here. So only this one survives to be there. We do not insert 2-digit numbers. Okay. There was 11. Let me go over it again. Because 5 plus 6 is 11, 11, 11. Sure. But there must be no individual 2-digit number. So we remove this one and bring it here. Here also has a problem, 11. But first we say 11 plus 1 is 12. But here again, we cannot have 2-digit numbers. So this one moves and comes here. Yeah. Now, let us assume that here was like 6. When you add 1 to 6 is 7, no problem. But we had what? 11. This 11, we brought 1 from here. I hope you are with me. We brought 1 from here. This one added to this 11, it becomes 12. The same thing happens. There must be no 2-digit number between this and this. So this one finally moves to this. So there is no option unless the first digit changes. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 8,886 times 7 without a calculator is 62,216. I hope you get this one very well. Okay, thank you for watching. Do not forget to follow, like, share, and comment so that I will do more, so that others will benefit. Bye-bye.